how to fix if screen rotation not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screen rotation issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for sensor test. Now install this sensor test app, and after installing tap on open and then run a accelerometer test. So tap on test, and then if you don't know how to test, then you can tap on this question mark, and from here you can read the instructions to test the accelerometer. So tilt the device, the ball should follow the tilt. So if the ball is not following the tilt, then it means there is something wrong with your sensor. So you can see the sensor is working perfectly. So if your sensor is not working, then it means it's a sensor issue, so you should change your sensor. But if your sensor is working properly, then the last solution to fix the screen rotation issue is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the screen rotation issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.